look at those blue skies behind them.
Yeah, so nice.
Yeah.
Beautiful day, especially if you're down the shore. Beach bums are happy. Campers and hikers are sad. Yeah. Storms have been impacting that part of the region. We can get a live look right now in the Poconos where the rain continues to fall. We've had this storm overhead for the better part of an hour. The rain continuing to pour down at this hour. Cloudy conditions. A little bit gusty in the wind department as well. Storm scan 3 showing us we do have this concentration of strong, and we even had a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings. Now, no severe thunderstorm warnings in effect. Still have that flash flood warning in effect for parts of Lehigh and Northampton counties. But down the shore, really not even a cloud. But some of these high clouds are starting to build in to the I-95 corridor. The tops of those thunderstorms moving southbound. But storm scan 3 showing us a concentration of these nearly stationary storms. That's why we do have this localized flooding threat, because we have the heavy rainfall and then the storms aren't going anywhere. They're just sitting overhead for a period of hours. So now western Berks County seeing nearly continuous lightning and torrential rainfall as we look up towards Carbon and Monroe counties, dealing with some thunderstorm activity in and around the Jim Thorpe area, stretching up into Mount Pocono. And the rain does continue to fall in and around the Allentown area, where we do have that flash flood warning in effect until 7:15. At least the intensity has let up a bit, but the rain is nearly continuous over the last several hours. We picked up about 3 to 4 inches of rain already in parts of the Lehigh Valley. Now some of this rain is starting to stretch down into Upper Bucks and western Montgomery County. Future weather going to show us, I think we do have a chance of seeing a few showers work in mainly to our western suburbs. Kind of ignore this lighter green. I don't think the precipitation is going to make itself all the way into South Jersey, but we do have that chance at a few showers, especially north and west of the I-95 corridor as we head into the next couple of hours. But then after sunset, we lose that heating of the day, and a lot of this wet weather will start to fade away as we head into midnight, drying out all across the area. But your fireworks forecast, maybe in and around the city, we could see a stray shower sneaking on in. Otherwise, down the shore, fireworks forecast awesome. A few clouds, humid temperatures in the middle 70s, and in the Poconos, you're still watching out for some scattered storms, especially for the first half of the evening. Temperatures right now, we know the drill. It's hot again, 91 degrees. We're at 76 of rain-cooled air in Allentown. Down the shore, temperatures in the mid to upper 80s. We're at 89 right now in Trenton. And of course, we have that humid factor, so these heat indices are still brutal again today. Feeling like 96 in Philly, feeling like 96 in Trenton. Feels like 95 right now at this hour in Atlantic City, and that's because of these numbers. Dew points up into the 70s, dealing with oppressive humidity. But there's good news in sight. Not tomorrow, though. Tomorrow, humidity still oppressive. Then as we head into Friday, strong cold front comes through, humid in the morning, feeling great by the end of the day. Then check that out on Saturday to kick off the weekend. We're not going to feel any humidity at all. That's going to be nice and refreshing. But overnight tonight, partly cloudy, warm and muggy, falling back to 74 degrees. Another hot and humid one tomorrow. High temperature up at 90 degrees. We'll have kind of a mix of sun and clouds, maybe a stray afternoon pop-up thunderstorm, but we are not going to see as much activity as we're seeing right now far north and west of the city. Down the shore, mix of sun and clouds tomorrow, mid 80s to upper 80s. Watching out for that very high UV index, but rip current risk is low tomorrow. And then looking ahead towards that upcoming weekend, check this out. Sunshine both Saturday and Sunday. Low humidity values for both days, and temperatures running a few degrees below average in the low to mid 80s. That's something to definitely look forward to. But first, on Friday, we've got to get through periods of heavy rainfall and embedded thunderstorms really throughout the day as that strong cold front navigates the Delaware Valley. But then on the backside, whew, what a treat. Upper 80s by Monday. Still feeling pretty comfortable, though. No brutal, oppressive heat in the foreseeable future.
Amen.
We are happy to hear it. Thank you so much.